Hello, magical friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the enchanting world of spellcasting. Specifically, we're going to learn how to cast a spell for good fortune. Whether you're new to magic or a seasoned practitioner, this spell is simple and powerful. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about what spellcasting is. Spellcasting is a way to focus your intention and energy to bring about a desired outcome. It's important to approach this practice with a clear mind and positive intentions. Now let's gather our materials. For our good fortune spell, you'll need the following ingredients: a green candle, a piece of paper and a pen, a small bowl of water, a pinch of salt, a small green pouch or cloth, a few coins, a piece of jade or any green crystal, some basil leaves. These items symbolize prosperity, growth, and good luck. Once you have everything ready, we can start casting the spell. First, let's prepare our space. It's crucial to work in a clean, quiet environment where you won't be disturbed. Light some sage or incense to cleanse the area and yourself from any negative energy. As you do this, focus on your intention to invite good fortune into your life. Now, take your piece of paper and pen. Write down your intention for this spell. Be specific about what kind of good fortune you want to attract. For example, you could write, "I attract financial abundance and opportunities into my life." Once you've written your intention, fold the paper and place it under the green candle. With your intention set, it's time to cast the spell. Light the green candle and focus on the flame, visualizing your intention coming true. Sprinkle a pinch of salt into the bowl of water, symbolizing purification and protection. Take the coins and the jade crystal in your hands. Close your eyes and visualize yourself surrounded by abundance and good fortune. Feel the positive energy flowing through you and into these objects. When you're ready, place the coins and crystal into the green pouch along with the basil leaves. Seal the pouch and hold it up to the candle flame, being careful not to burn it. As you do this, say the following words: "By the light of this flame, I call forth good fortune and abundance. May this pouch be a magnet for prosperity and luck, so mote it be." Visualize the pouch glowing with positive energy, then place it somewhere special, like your purse, pocket, or under your pillow. To close the ritual, thank the universe and any spirits or deities you called upon for their assistance. Extinguish the candle, knowing that your intention has been set in motion. Remember, the key to any spell is to believe in its power and to remain open to receiving the blessings it brings. Thank you for joining me in this magical journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.